Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Number 1. Enable Play Store from App Settings. Head over to Settings on your Android device. Apps are usually divided into Downloaded, On Card, Running, and All. Scroll around and you may find Google Play Store in the list. If you see a disabled configuration on this app, tap to enable.
Take our lead.
The Play Store app comes pre-installed on Android devices that support Google Play, and can be downloaded on some Chromebooks. Find the Google Play Store app. On your device, go to the Apps section. Tap Google Play Store. The app will open and you can search and browse for content to download.
Take our lead.
Procedure. Tap Settings. Tap Apps. Some phones may have it listed as Apps and Notifications. Ensure it says All Apps at the top. If not, tap the drop-down menu and select All Apps. Tap Google Play Store. Tap Menu. The 3 vertical dot button on the top right corner. Tap Uninstall Updates. Tap OK.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.